Let's look at gamma, exercise 2305, question 9. And it says a container is filled with cream, full cream, milk. Another container is filled with trim milk. The fraction of, it says full cream milk in that is cream is a 25th, 1 and 25th. When that means that if I had a container, here's my container, and of that container, we've got this bit's milk, yeah? And this bit's cream. And the milk bit is, well, the cream bit we know is 1/25th. So it must mean that 24 25ths must be milk. And then it says the fraction of milk that is cream in the other container is 1/100th. So that's the trim milk. So this is for the full cream. Call this full cream. And the other container, won't be to scale, folks, is this time it's going to be, so this bit here is the full, is the cream bit. This bit here, though, is this very slither of a bit here. And this is going to be 1/100th that's cream. And this bit here is going to be 99 1/100ths that's cream. Yeah? Oh, sorry, that's milk. So, and this is trim. This is trim milk. So, the question says, if the contents of the two containers are mixed, what fraction of the mixture is cream? So what we're going to end up with is two containers. They both contain 100, let's say, or 25, or whatever fraction we want to make this. But we add them together and we're going to work out how much of the total container, of the total big container now, is that plus that. Well, that's not too tricky. So let's first of all add the milks together. You've got 24 25ths, and you've got another 99 100ths. Now, we've got to be careful here that we don't just say, well, we're going to keep the denominators the same. Okay, because this is going to be, it's 100% there and 100% in here, and this is most of 100%, this is almost a whole 100%. So of this one here, what percentage is this? So let's make this into a percentage. So I'm going to multiply that by 4, and that by 4, and that'll get me to 100. So 24 times 4 is 96. 25 over that is 100, yeah? And this one over here, I'm putting a comma here, notice, not a plus, because I don't want to just add them. 99 out of 100, we know, 99 out of 100. So now we've got, if we put the two containers together, this is 100%, this is 100%, so it's going to be, this one here is going to be out of the total, this one here, so if they go in one big container, this is now 96%, here's my big container, yeah, 96% is going to be 96 plus the 99. Now 96 and 99 is, so it's going to be 96 plus the 99, which is 195. So 195 out of the total, because there's two lots of 100 here, is out of 200. Which means the cream must be the little bit that's left, which must be 5 out of 200. Well, let's just check that, because we can do that too, you see, because we've got, but it must be 5, but let's just check. We've got 1/25th. Let's have a look. 1/25th, and we've also got 100th as well. So, and 100th. There we are. Let's turn this into hundredths out of 100. So multiply that by 4, multiply this by 4, and we end up with 5 over, what's that? Out of 100. Oh, sorry, 4. 1 4 is 4. But 1 plus the 1 out of 100, that's going to be 1 out of 100. So together, it's going to be 5 out of the total, which is 200. Got to be careful you don't just add them together and end up with 5 out of 100, because of course if you just add them you keep the denominator the same, but we've got twice as much milk. We've got the 100 that was in here and the 100 that's in there. Yeah, so you end up with 5 out of 200. There it is. 4 plus 1 is 5 out of the total now, which is out of 200. So 5 out of 200. Oh, and we can simplify that too. 5 out of 200, which we can divide by 5, is 1. Divide by 5 is 40. So the fraction of cream, and you probably want to write this out, the fraction of cream in the new larger vat is 1/40th. And that's how I would solve that.